I bought an adapter on Amazon to connect my iPhone to my spotting scope, but I found it was very inconvenient to use. It was very hard to get it set up perfectly. By then the shop was gone. So I found a medicine bottle that would fit exactly over the eyepiece of the scope, and I attached it to a piece of plastic, 5 by 8 inches. I then cut the medicine bottle 1.5 inches from the top using a hacksaw and a piece of PVC pipe to hold it. Then I took the top of the bottle and drilled a hole right in the center, big enough for the eyepiece, big enough for the lens. Make sure it's right in the center or it will not work. Using a chop saw, I cut a small piece, the width of the plastic, which I'll be gluing onto the bottom in a moment. That's the important first step. Here it is, super glued onto the bottom. You could also attach it with screws. I think I would do that if I did it again, but the super glue holds. Now this is a critical step. You want to put the iPhone right up against that bottom piece, and then you want to attach with glue the plastic bottle top exactly over the lens. Once you've attached it with glue, you can drill a couple of small holes. I found this is important because the glue might not hold, and put a couple of screws in. These are sheet metal screws. They will stick out the other end, and so you'll need to use a grinder or something like that to get rid of those sharp points, since otherwise they would be in the way. Now center the phone right up against the plastic top so it's right in position, and then you use the sideboards, the one on the right and then the one on the left, to hold the phone in exactly the right position. You can change the size of those until it fits. Here's a picture of the whole thing put together. Notice that I did not glue the white top to the part of the bottle. You can see that here, it's not glued. That allows you to leave the plastic bottle on the spotting scope and just take off the rest of it. It makes it really easy to put it on and put it off. You can also slide that tube, which used to be the bottle, closer or further away. Usually all the way on is how it works best for me, but if you have a focus problem, you can move it around. The advantage of this is that you can use it instantly. It's always lined up perfectly, and of course I made it completely for free. The pictures are great. You can even adjust the zoom while this is attached.